Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about my cracked windshield, so that conversation is coming up. With Rivians being so new today, it's kind of hard to find inventory in stock. It's not a Tesla, it's not a Civic, it's not a Camry, so there's, way more inventory of those type of cars because they're way more common. So why would manufacturers make Rivian windshields? So naturally, the first place I went to was Rivian, so I made an appointment in the app. And if you know anything about their service centers, at least here in California, they are always backed up the wazoo. And yep, as expected, when I put in that service ticket, they gave me a date of 2 months out at the end of July. So the quote for the windshield was $2,000. So these windshields are not cheap anymore. Then I remembered on the forums that people were having success with Safelite, but you may still need to take the car to Rivian for the calibration. From the service ticket, they can't do the actual windshield via mobile service, but they were able to do the calibration via mobile service. Apparently all they need for the calibration is a laptop, so remember this whole piece for later. Comparatively, Safelite gave me a quote of $1,800 for their aftermarket glass, which is made by Fuyao, which is the largest auto manufactured glass making company on the planet. For me, the quote didn't really matter that much because I was going through insurance anyways. Unfortunately, my insurance, the policy that I have is just, this has to go through comprehensive, which was $1,000 on my policy, because my insurance company doesn't have one of those zero down, windshield type of replacement policies. The one nice thing about Safelite is they help you deal with insurance, or they may just be able to deal with insurance altogether for you. So I don't know if this is just a Mercury thing because we have Mercury insurance, but they said that they couldn't really get it started until I started a claim. So basically I called Mercury, started a claim, gave Safelite the info, and then that's all I had to do after that. They took it after that and took care of the rest. So this is all after I went to the Safelite website and just booked an appointment for a new windshield online, and they were able to get me an appointment 5 days out, which is much shorter than the 2 months that Rivian was able to give me. Since I'd been seeing all these things online about Safelite and calibration, I actually called the local center to make sure they could do the calibrations, and they told me that they could, and that they literally had just gotten the equipment to do the calibrations specifically for Rivian a couple weeks ago. So just keep that in mind if you watch this video, like in the next few weeks or next couple months, that I believe what it sounded like is that Safelite at all locations were getting all this equipment, but your mileage may vary and they may not have it yet by the time you watch this video. So in the event that they couldn't do the calibration, my main priority was to get the windshield fixed first. So my backup plan was to get the window fixed at Safelite and then have Rivian Mobile come out and do the calibration later. So on the day of the windshield replacement, it was pretty smooth. Brought the car down in the morning, waited a couple hours, and picked the car up later. It was pretty simple. They didn't have any issues doing the calibration. Driver Plus and all the window-related calibration stuff works perfectly fine. You even get this silly certificate of success that the window calibration went through okay. Probably one of the easiest car experiences I've had in a while, to be honest. So about that Fuyao glass, it's considered third party, but if you know anything about Rivian, they actually use Fuyao glass as their OEM glass. The only difference between the two is that the Rivian Fuyao glass has a Rivian logo in addition to the Fuyao logo, and then mine just has a Fuyao logo. So basically it's the same windshield. I actually asked Safelite if they were able to get the OEM Rivian glass, and they actually said they were able to, but it would take a couple more days and it was like $200 more. So if that's important to you, you can get the OEM glass. And I suppose if you're going through insurance, this probably doesn't matter because you're going to pay the same deductible anyways. But for people who don't want to deal with insurance and aren't going through insurance, then it may make a difference, that extra $200. So that's just up to you. So that was the experience with Safelite. They did a great job on the window. It was cheaper than Rivian, faster because I didn't have to wait as long, and it was just as good. So if you want an alternative to the long waits at the Rivian Service Center, you may want to consider Safelite if your local center has good ratings. Have you had to replace your Rivian windshield? What did you end up doing? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.